Hello, this is Willa, and today I have a company for you, a well-known company, COMCAST. Just a brief background, COMCAST brings together the best in media and technology. They drive innovative and they create the world's entertainment and online experiences. They are hiring for a virtual customer experience representative for their billing department. So what they're doing, they want the agents to be top-notch customer service while accurately and confidently handling customer inquiries. Billing agents will promote Comcast products and services and make recommendations that meet the customer's needs. The job specification will be work remotely. It'll be full-time, 8-hour shift, and it pays $15 per hour. The experience needed for this job is a 1 year call center preferred, 1 year customer service preferred, and a high school diploma or equivalent. They offer benefits too. They have 401ks, dental insurance, employee discounts, flexible schedules, flexible spending account, health insurance, paid time off, a referral program, a retirement plan, tuition reimbursement, and vision insurance. This job is ideal for someone who is dependable, people oriented, adaptable, flexible, detail oriented, achievement oriented, independent, enjoys working with little direction, innovative, and thrives in a high pressure environment. They also will be offering paid training from home. And if you're interested in this job or feel that you can fill the requirements, please click the link below this video. And if you go through the hiring process and if you get hired, please leave a comment below this video. And have a good day, and thank you for listening.